Cardano value equivalent to 5.6693 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.5133. 5.6967. The earlier day close, 5.5567. The change was plus 0.1126. Plus 2.03%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 5.51 rands, high 5.90, low 5.12. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost 5.46 rands, high 5.84, low 5.08. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost 5.36 rands, high 5.74, low 4.98. Cardano gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost 5.54 rands, high 5.93, low 5.15. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost 5.48 rands, high 5.86, low 5.10. In multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, July 31, cost 5.48 rands, high 5.86, low 5.10. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 5.23 rands, high 5.60, low 4.86. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost 5.10 rands, high 5.46, low 4.74. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost 4.62 rands, high 4.94, low 4.30. Cardano figure on Friday, August 4, cost 5.36 rands, high 5.74, low 4.98. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 5.22 rands, high 5.59, low 4.85. Cardano figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 5.40 rands, high 5.78, low 5.02. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost 5.50 rands, high 5.89, low 5.12. Cardano figure on Thursday, August 10, cost 5.35 rands, high 5.72, low 4.98. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost 5.46 rands, high 5.84, low 5.08. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, August 14, cost 5.58 rands, high 5.97, low 5.19. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost 5.50 rands, high 5.89, low 5.12. Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost 5.39 rands, high 5.77, low 5.01. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost 5.27 rands, high 5.64, low 4.90. Cardano estimate on Friday, August 18, cost 5.34 rands, high 5.71, low 4.97. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost 5.38 rands, high 5.76, low 5.00. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost 5.55 rands, high 5.94, low 5.16. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 4.63 rands, exorbitant cost 5.06, while low cost 4.40. Found the middle value of cost 4.71. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.73, change for November 2.2%. Cardano estimate for December 2023. To start with cost at 4.73 rands, exorbitant cost 5.59, while low cost 4.73. Found the middle value of cost 5.07. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.22, change for December 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 5.22 rands, excessive cost 5.32. While low cost 4.62. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.03. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.97, change for January 4.8%. Cardano conjecture for February 2024, at the outset cost at 4.97 rands, excessive cost 6.17. While low cost 4.97, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.47. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.77. Change for February 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024, at the outset cost at 5.77 rands, excessive cost 6.27. While low cost 5.45, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.84. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.86, change for spring 1.6%. Cardano conjecture for April 2024, at the outset cost at 5.86 rands, excessive cost 6.37. While low cost 5.53, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.93. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.95, change for April 1.5%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024, before all else cost at 5.95 rands, excessive cost 6.00. While low cost 5.22, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.70. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.61. Change for May 5.7%. Cardano conjecture for June 2024, at the outset cost at 5.61 rands, excessive cost 6.22. While low cost 5.40, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.76. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.81. Change for June 3.6%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024, at the outset cost at 5.81 rands, excessive cost 5.81. While low cost 4.81, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.40. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.17. Change for July 11.0%. Cardano conjecture for August 2024, at the outset cost at 5.17 rands, excessive cost 6.35. While low cost 5.17, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.66. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.93. Change for August 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024, at the outset cost at 5.93 rands, excessive cost 6.44. While low cost 5.60, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.00. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.02. Change for September 1.5%. Cardano gauge for October 2024, in the first place cost at 6.02 rands, exorbitant cost 6.55, while low cost 5.69, the found the middle value of cost 6.10. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.12, change for October 1.7%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024, in the first place cost at 6.12 rands, exorbitant cost 6.66, while low cost 5.78, the found the middle